What's up, guys? Devin with Adventure Hobby Passion back today doing another video. And as I promised, another wheeling video. I actually just barely got home. Well, I got home last night and just barely filmed the outro for the last wheeling video. And we're going to an off-roading event, this time some Toyota vehicle. I'm on a Toyota group that we're going wheeling with, so let's throw the time lapse up and get out there.
1 hour later.
What size shocks you got under there?
On the rear, 2 by 11s.
2 by 11 inches of travel. I guess with the angles on how it is.
Keep that boulder. And then the fronts are 2 by 10s.
2 by 10s.
I'll
Still.
give you the smaller rock. Empty the sand out of your pockets. Because that's the rules.
All right, guys, we showed up and everyone didn't really talk too much. A lot of the people here know a lot of each other. I talked to one guy and I showed you his rig. Tried to get the drone up to get everyone's rigs because there's like 100 rigs out here. But we're heading to the trailhead now, following the main road. So yeah, we'll see you when we get to the trailhead. Guys, we made it to Rattlesnake 3+. So, yeah, it's gonna be fun. passing us. The Jeep Gladiator is in our group, and then we have 3rd Gen Tacoma, my Tacoma, the Jeep Gladiator, 5th Gen 4Runner, Lexus GX 470, I believe it is. There's 2 of those. Another Jeep Wrangler in front of him. 4Runner, 5th Gen 4Runner, 87 Toyota pickup, I'm pretty sure. Also, we got a 3rd Gen 4Runner and Nissan Xterra, 3rd Gen 4 Tacoma, 1st Gen Tacoma, 3rd Gen Tacoma as well. Here's the Jeep Gladiator just going to town all over this crazy obstacle. It's super fun though. Here goes the 3rd Gen. That's the hardest line of the day. Typically, I've heard that this obstacle changes, so sometimes the middle line's always the hardest, but sometimes the other side is harder. It depends on the wind and how everything has been eroding. I had to play around, and I was actually lucky enough to go up 2 of the options. I didn't go up the steepest one. That was going to be the next one, but the other guy started going as soon as I was midway up through the last one. So I let everyone get on there and join. But the view up here is insane.
Okay, he's coming center.
Listen to the dirt bikes, they sound freaking sweet. Gotta get one of those and bring that to the channel. Well, let's continue on to the next trail. I don't know what the trail, if there was a designated name for this next trail. We're going up to this very top of a mountain, so it's going to be pretty sick. So hopefully you enjoyed the rest of the time lapse, and I'll join back in a second. Alright, I wanted to show you this clip of this Lexus GX going up this hill. I left the music on for this first little bit in the truck, so I couldn't have that be playing, so it's muted right now. But I do have a sound clip of it because it's got a V8 in it, and it sounds freaking amazing. But he was struggling to get up this. He doesn't have any lockers. He's just using the Toyota traction system to get up it. I have a locker. Let's see how I do. Gen 1 power! Just don't want it to keep going, you know?
A little bit's okay.
Yeah. Gen 1 power! Woo-hoo-hoo! Damn. You're good.
You're all good.
That was a hell of a slide. Okay, so we made it to the top, as you've seen for those clips. My truck was not doing very good on grip-wise, and it slid. It slid a lot, thank goodness, from that outside camera view. Trying to get people to come with me next time so we can get some outside camera view. But this is actually us on the way down to go back to the parking lot. That was pretty much the end of the adventure. And right up here, think about now, just up here, I lost where the group was. I stopped right here, because I seen the guys in front of us. And then I kept calling forward, and I couldn't find them. So we lost the rest of the group. So half the group was on their way back, heading quick, and then we're the other half. I've never been here, so I'm just driving around trying to figure out where we're going. And then later I pull off up here, and then they have a guy go in front of me, and we made it back. But it was a really fun day, lots of off-roading. Definitely hope to go back soon and go do another big group ride.
By sheer coincidence.
Alright, well, hopefully you enjoyed that video. I had a lot of fun filming it, a lot of fun editing it. It took me a while to edit. So, yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The biggest thing with my channel, go out and go find your passions.